Over 30,000 veto members behind bars in Turkey. Israel settlers deface Palestinian homes in West Bank. Syria's solution should be political, not military. EU. Iraq slams US terror label for Iran Revolution Guard. Helicopter crash kills one in northwestern Iran. Saudi-led coalition attacks Houthi sites in Sana'a. WHO, at least 47 killed in last 3 days in Libya clashes. Libya, Haftar forces face robust resistance in Tripoli. Bosnia, historical mosque comes under racist attack. Malaysian PM urged Islamic banker for tech investments. Taliban refused to attend peace meeting in Afghanistan. Nationalism core election promise of India's Modi.